Is it fixed? It's we're here. We're not off to a good start though. Get rid of this cable. Got cables going everywhere. Not very set up. Let people trickle in if there's anyone. Probably not. I need to get the.
Is it fixed?
Oh, I finally got the stream on my. Cool. Awesome. Is of course the It's great that the chat doesn't show on OBS. I'll just swap to with this. Listening to Japanese lo-fi, Mystic Samurai by Lo-Fi Geek. If you wanna check it out, it sounds pretty slapping. It's pretty good. Oh, 0 viewers at the start. We're amazing. We're doing well. Okay, the title does not deceive you. We are making an inventory in real time. Now, I just got the newest version of Unity. There's also some new stuff that I want to see. First of all, what is this? Search Unity. Is this a new search thing? You can click this little button. That sounds awesome. Also, disabling Unity shortcuts in play mode. This is awesome. I needed this. Didn't even say that on the notes either. On the patch notes. Hold up. I'm sorry. Let me fix my mic. Not my mic. My camera's hot. My webcam's hot. And yes, I need to get lights in front of me, and I need to get a back here. So I know you can see my ugly ass curtains. All good. We are in. Okay. I should probably get my shit. Share. God, they put the share button all the way at the top. Add everyone. Hashtag everyone. At everyone. Streaming live on the channel. Boom. How are we gonna do this new inventory system, you ask? Well, we're gonna... I don't know. First of all, let's create an inventory manager. I just want to do this to create a Unity package to try to use it by other projects. Also, new icon for the scene icons in Unity, looking very snazzy. And the I don't even know. This probably isn't even a new a new, what do you call it? New version. I don't know if it was released recently or if it was released later. I recently got this webcam, and it's it feels weird using a webcam on YouTube. And it feels weird having a good webcam, because otherwise I'd be using my laptop webcam, and that is god awful. I'm having this issue with Visual Studio. Let me close everything. Bonk. Okay. What do? We need to create a public static inventory, right? Inventory. And then it starts... No, a week. So I don't even know what's going to be different about this one. I guess... So, I've always used physical inventories. This time, I'm going to try something new and use a data-based inventory. So... we'll see if it works. First of all, I need to get the slots. So I probably need to create some UI. I drink a lot of water, if you didn't realize. I sip on it a lot. I usually drink a whole bottle at a time. Okay, we're in 3D apparently. Awesome, I created a 3D project, not a 2D, in preparation for this. Feels good. Now, am I doing a classic inventory? Like a Rust style? I think I do. That's just a basic inventory which works, so. Which also means I need to create a... I'll probably create a helper to create an inventory for me. Just makes it a bit easier. Also scale with screen size. Oh wait. Or... Also physical size. What do we do? No. Scale screen size. Easy. Guarantee no one's gonna pop in. Yeah, probably. Probably no one's gonna pop in. Okay, we need a hotbar, we need the slots. We need the slots. Shebang. Shaboomba. Shaboom. This lo-fi actually slaps. Believe it or not. We'll do... I'm just gonna make this 250. That's 256 weird. Yeah, 25. That's a perfect size. 250. Okay. So if we make the height of this 230 with a 10 gap, right? I think. Am I being an idiot? No. We need a 10 spacing. So that's 60. Wait. Is it? Yeah. Think. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Let me do this, and we go. Inventories are my whole life on YouTube. If you haven't realized. This is all I do, apparently. Prefabs. Oh, hello, Omniscient Entertainment. If you're still here, welcome. Haven't seen you on the channel before. How's your day going? Sorry, I don't have a separate, like, area for my comments and stuff, or, like, another phone or something, so I'm gonna have to look at that every once in a while. I'm gonna create the slots 50 by 50. Oh, if I go for 49, actually, I can do one spacing. Or can I? I don't even know. 5. I can go 5. Wait, first of all, this inventory kind of makes no sense. If I do 300, that's 6. 305 is enough for the spacing. So 305. Okay. Oh my god. I don't need to type fast. This is a chill stream. This is... I don't know why I'm going so like fast. Alright, slot border. This is gonna be the... Yes, we use this. That represents the slot border. Basic background with a dark coloring and alpha. Alpha is in Andrew Tate. Oh, can I even talk about him? Welcome, concurrent viewer. I'm making inventory without physical items. I need one 4 projects, so don't ask me what projects. I literally don't know. I'm just making one because I want to. God, it really annoys me that TextMesh Pro isn't in Unity, and that's the main way they use text. There's probably a reason for it, but like, it really gets on my nerves. Because TextMesh Pro is good, but you need to use the like in your scripts, if you want to change any of the text, you need to use like using TextMesh Pro. Oh, maybe I shouldn't use TextMesh Pro then. Because if I want to make this a Unity package, which I probably should. That's so annoying. Alright. I guess I'm not using TextMesh Pro. Legacy text. Oh, looking good. Holy. But the problem with legacy text, right, is I have to do something like 160 by 160. Right, and then go boom, boom, right in the center. Scale this bitch up to even make it look decent. Oh god. What do I do? Also, the box, the hitbox or whatever you call it on this is like crazy big. And we're just gonna make this 0.1 scale. I think that looks decent. That looks alright. But I need to make this probably 320 in width, just in case. If people go like nuts and for some reason have like 6,000 items or something. No, we'll go 240. 240's a good size. Why was that -12? -12, okay. Okay. Sure, that makes perfect sense. Amount text. There, okay, that's a slot. Oh, and then we also need the icon. Image, icon. So all of this needs to get rendered in real time. Not real time. It needs to get rendered on, not frame by... If we wanted to be... Okay, if we didn't want it to be frame by frame, we need to make a shit ton of API calls to our code. Or, yeah, every time we want to... We also need to make that if there's no source image, then it's gonna delete the icon. Comparing it at all. Huh. Yeah. Prefabs, make a prefab of the slot. Sadly, wait. I think I need to make a resources folder, because if I wanted to, I need to use resources.load. Shit, man. Alright. Wanna check it out? I recently got this webcam, and it feels weird using a webcam on YouTube. I'm making sure everything's all good. I'm not a narcissist. Don't worry. Everything is average. Okay. So first of all, slots, this needs to be a grid. Oh, I didn't take into consideration this. If it's 6 across, it's gonna be 5 down, so that needs to be 234, I think. Which means that needs to be increased by 4. Okay, that should work. Yep. And then that should be a grid. Grid information. With... I think I left enough for 1 spacing between. Alright, let's copy and paste this a bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Apparently that is like way too much. Oh, 204. Why did I do 304? No. 204. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I see what I did. Inventory. We need 2, 7. Also, I really dislike the roundness of the slot. Slot border. Remove slot border. No one likes slot border. Go away, you dumb border. Use 4. Looking good. Not really, but... I mean, actually, I've only been streaming for... This is the best stream I've had so far, apparently. Woo! These look decent as well. Okay, slots. Also, hotbar slots need a few. And this is, we had another grid. Oh, wait. We just do horizontal grid layout group for this one. Can we, like, not? What happened? Oh, it's because of the dumbass text. That would be dumb. Grid. We do grid layout group. 50. 50. With 1 spacing. Boom. Easy. Dunsky's nothing the old grid layout group can't handle. Don't ask me why that's 60. That's fine. That should still work. Okay. Then the inventory manager needs to have the... However, I am seeing an issue with this. My mouse cursor is still the text editing one. And I can't really... It's whenever... This is fine. I go off this, but then... Oh, didn't mean to go on there. I don't know. Another issue with Unity? No. Just kidding. I hope. Create another script called slot. Now each slot needs to have this on it. Believe it or not. Believe it or not, it's a slot. It does need to be using the Unity Engine UI. Not class, assembly reference. I actually got the name right for that, I think. Probably image icon. And a public text. What's the difference of using a structured data class and a breed guild? Oh, I've already searched that up. Awesome. I just can't remember. A light version of classes. Structures are the value types can be used to create objects. So it's quicker to use them? Okay, that doesn't really... Okay, well, I'm just gonna use a structure because from what the a light version of classes. In my eyes, that just means that it's cheaper to use them. Struct. Alright. Inside the inventory item, we need a string for the name. Wait, no, we don't. We need a string for item data. Type of namespace list. Oh, it's using system.collections. And I'll just use just in case. Alright, and then why does this sound like Redbone? Oh my god. I literally can't get that out of my head now. Boom. I can't get that out of my head now. It's literally Redbone. Did I say Redbone? It's Redbone. Not anymore, but it's an Anatomy. Oh, killed him. Should I make... Wait. Oh, it's... like that, right? Let me just make sure I got that right. Yep. What tags? Food. Weapon. Clothing. Wait. Mask. I'm gonna loop through the 2 slot holders and just add the slots to the list. Wait. Always make that mistake. Alright, then we can go if... Oh, I can use a try statement. I never know. I mean, it'll just come up with an error, right? I'm like... try statements. C#. I get why you use them, because then you can go try, I don't know, A plus B, or A is equal to B, and then if I can't do it, then... If no cache will contain in the cell, that's fine. Okay. Interesting. We had 2 at one point. That's probably me, to be honest. Anyway. Try slots dot add the hotbar slot holder dot get child. Bonk. Is that how I use it? I'm assuming so. And then I also add items dot add null. Whenever I do that, because then I have an equal amount of items in the inventory. Well, item slots. As null item slots with nothing in them basically mean that having null item slots basically means there's nothing in the item slot. So system dot. There is a small tiny fly which is annoying me. Type an namespace enum. I am sorry. What class is enum from? Is it from system? Regular system? Am I going crazy? Enum class. Oh, it's in system. Bruh. I swear to God, I've gone for so much longer without ever using that. Cannot convert null. 28. What if I could just do this? Wait a minute. Apparently that works. Oh, also 7-9. I'm pretty sure I can literally just do that. Maybe. Yeah, it just overrides the error. You know, I've dealt with that too many times to count that I just override the error whenever I want to. Public item data. That's like all the inventory items. Awesome. Oh, and also a public sprites icon. Can I seriously not null it? Dang. Alright, I'm just gonna have to figure out some way of checking if that slot is full or not. That's fine. Slots holder, hotbar slots holder. Alright, and let's just make sure that my instant play mode, baby. There is no this is why I have the this is why we have the errors, the try catch. There is no slot component. Awesome. Slot, and then we amount text and icon. Also, we need to have a... Do we have the method on the slot? Yeah, I think we have the method on the slot to update it. Wonder if I could override the Unity data. Wonder if that's a thing. Does this override Unity's update? It does. Okay, I don't know if that actually overrides it or not. Update slot. Anyway. If icon dot sprite is equal to null, then we can I saw this clip on YouTube, or this, like, it wasn't a clip, it was like a multi-hour long stream of this guy just coding, but it was labeled ASMR. It was labeled ASMR as if, like, oh, people get off to fucking coding. The least sexy thing in the world. Actually, is it actually the least sexy thing in the world? What is an instant turn off in every single any circumstance? That's interesting. I'll have to have to think about that. Why am I using an for loop here? For each. Oh, we have to link to the... Oh, okay. We can give us like an integer value, which is like the ID. Alright, we need some more music. We need to swap the music. I've listened to this one before, that's decent. Haunted lo-fi? God, I wish copyright wasn't a thing, man. How much better would copyright be if it would YouTube and stuff be if copyright wasn't a thing? It could use so many different sounds. Also, hello concurrent viewer. We could use so many different things if copyright wasn't a thing. I'd be so much more happy to stream, because I'll just pull up my Spotify playlist. I actually that's a bit stupid if I say I have great taste in music. That's kind of my opinion, you know. Anyway, where were we? Getting slots, update all slots. That's right. Slot ID. So then we assign each slot an ID. And then slots of... Wait, what was I doing? We can change the slot. Dang, we're keeping someone. Welcome. Sorry, I'm just excited to actually keep someone for once. Anyway. So, right now, we need to get the... We're setting a slot ID, so is equal to... dot ID is equal to slots dot count. No, slots dot count. -1. Because, yep, we want the ID starting from 0, otherwise that's not going to work. There's a fucking plane going over here. We also got a -1 off this. I wonder if that's gonna work, right? Now we can go inventory manager. Dot inventory manager. Dot inventory. Dot. I think I just named it inventory, right? Yep. Dot slots of ID. Or items, sorry. Dot amount is less than 2. That should work, I think. No errors. L removo. Yep. Oh, I didn't even add a slot component. Oh, wait, I did though. I did on all of these. Okay, try catch method sucks, boys. We're removing it. That shouldn't be doing that. Oh, wait. Oh, I see. That's not dumb. It's... But it's adding one. At 33. Wait, it... Yeah, no, I'm not using that. It's easier to diagnose errors when I can actually see what line it comes from. Don't really see the use of using try and catch, but I'm sure there's a viable use. I don't know, for some code. Just note it, boss. Not with the code I use. See, it actually tells me exactly where it is. Adding 29 object reference I'll set to an instance of an object. What's the problem? I'm adding a blank inventory item. Maybe instead of a list, I use a array. And then at the end of get slots, I can do items is equal to a new oh wait. Oh yeah, a new inventory item array equal to slots. Dot count. Then I'm just like blank items. Also, this background is literally just on wallpaper engine, which luckily I don't have open for reasons. Hey, there we are. Okay, and as you can see, all of them actually disappeared purposefully because they contain no data. So now I guess we can actually add some data in, right? But first, can we like I don't know, this, I was gonna say, can we decrease the amount of code, but this is like very bare bones. This is a very bare bones script. We can't really do much less. Other than like making an editor script. Inventory setup wizard. I love the name wizard. Surely there's Unity editor code. Ooh. Here we go, baby. I'll be back. I need to go to the bathroom. I had a toilet thought. We search it up on the Unity scripting API. Maybe it's a good idea. Possibly. Okay. Editor code. Unity. Scripting API for editor. That's awesome. On Inspector GUI GUI, I know. Oh, that's non-editor, right? I was confused. This is okay. Oh, that's a lot better. Okay. Editor GUI layout dot button. Surely this is a thing. I could just steal a button and go, there is a button. I think I've dabbled with this before. Maybe. Okay. This seems really easy if copy paste, because I can't be bothered typing that. Create inventory. Okay. Then can we just like log created inventory? Is that like a thing? How do I do this? Windows. Nah, it won't be under Windows, surely. General. Ayo, where's it under? I created custom editor. Maybe this is a dumb idea. Maybe we don't need this. Alright, we don't need this. Delete. Goodbye, inventory setup wizard. It was fun trying to learn how to do you, but I can't be bothered. There is so many. There's like a. Is my window open? Oh, hold on. Watch me actively look if my window's open or not. I don't know, guys. I don't know. It ain't open. I'm not gonna tilt my camera down because my bed's messy as hell. Like, look. Nah, you thought. No bed views. Welcome, concurrent viewer. You came in at a very weird time of the stream. We are creating an inventory, as it says on the stream title. Kind of forgot where I was at. That's right. I made everything disappear. Ooh. Okay. Let's see if I have any, like, textures we can use as, like, oh, wood icon. That works. That should do it. What we can do is I created item data. So, example items. Just gonna drag that in. Wood. Would you know it? It's wood. ID 0. Wood. It's hard and long. This is awesome. Max stack 99. Okay, this is good. And then what we can do is we can create an add item class, right? So, or add item method, sorry. Public void add item. And here we can just input a inventory item to add or add. Then we can for loop through. First of all, we need to figure out if there's already an item in the inventory. Okay, we won't worry about that for now. We'll just check if there's an empty slot. So we'll for loop through the slots or through the items. Right. The items. So items dot link, and we can go if I is equal, items of I is equal to null, then we can add the item, right? So we can go items of I is equal to add. We're just setting it equal to that, and then obviously after this happens, we return. But before we return out of the loop, we need to update all the slots. So we can go update all slots. And that is the basic. Just wait, because it's a non-nullable type. Screw you. We need it to be nullable. I think I gotta make a public inventory item here. Item data and amount. If I use a class, is it nullable? It is nullable. Okay. We misjudge structures. They are not good. It's a lightweight version of a class that can't be nullable. Why can't it be nullable? No, I see the use for structure classes. They are easy to use. Oh. Failure and dot items of ID. Are the IDs not working? 0. They're all 0. But I'm setting the slot IDs, aren't I? Or am I not? Okay, the IDs are getting set. Right, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it just keeps going. Okay, it was just a problem of updating them right after. That's fine. We don't need to. We can actually just call get after this, so update all slots. There we go. Fixes it, because then it runs after the code. I've drunken 2 liters of water. I think this is 2 liters, right? SodaStream bottles. Very durable. No, I can't. Okay, well then it's the problem with the update or the update slot in the slot. Okay. Inventory items. Oh. I made mistake. If inventory manager dot inventory dot items of ID is equal to null, then we simply don't do this. No, then we set it equal to false. Fixed? It is fixed. Okay. Thank God. Pretty simple fix to the code, to be honest. I'm gonna remove that space. If you can tell, I very like much having my code optimized, and it's not really optimized, it's just because blank spaces are nothing, so I just like having them, compact. Okay, what do we have next to do? Adding the item. Cool. We got all that. Add item, and then we just go to and up top we can just make a public item data to add. Then up here we can go add item. New. Because, okay, we're going to convert the item data to an inventory item. So what we can do is go new add item, new inventory item, and we can go to add. Wait. Yeah, to add. And then 1. Okay, we'll just say we're adding 1. Also in the slot, in update, if it's equal to true, we need to set the icon to the current item icon, right? So item icon dot sprite is equal to inventory manager inventory items dot items dot data dot icon. And then here we also need to set the amount text is equal to the inventory manager dot inventory dot items of ID dot amount dot to string, and that should be updating the slots now. Wait, item data does not contain addition for icon. Oh, it's icon with a capital. Yuck, gross. Let's change it. Okay, Ocon. What's an Ocon? Dang, we've dropped 0 frames this stream. That's a new. Apparently my internet's just being beast. It's never been good ever. Okay, did it add the item? Shit, I mean, we can see, right? We can go the first icon. No, it's not. It's not. If it's equal to null. Add item. The item is being added. However, it's not. Items of I is equal to add, right? We're adding it. It's 0 still. Why is that? Is it... No, because otherwise one of these will be active. Icon. Oh! Wood doesn't have an icon? It really sucks that we can't see the data. This is really mind-boggling. It should be changing the sprite. Because on the slot, icon, yes. Okay, icon image. We're changing the icon. We're finding it. It's debugging that there is items. I don't know what to make of that. If we just, like, remove the any functionality out of this, we might be able to find the culprit. That's a bit odd. It is a bit odd, I'll be honest. Even for Unity. It doesn't update. Wait, I removed Fuck. I'll just add an update for now, and we go update all slots. So every frame, even though that's not efficient, and it's not good to do it every single frame, because that's just extra performance decrease for no reason, I'll still do that just in case. What's happening? We add item, we debug the amount. There is one in the... Oh. In the plus I plus slot. I slot. I've been playing a lot of Astroneer release recently, and Raft. I've been in the mood for kind of boring games. It's kind of annoying. I don't know, I haven't really had a big online game to play. One in the 0th slot. Okay, then it should be this one right here. But the... Okay, and then now let's bring back the code to see if it's gonna decide to work or not. And it doesn't even change the sprite. Which is the most annoying part about it, is that it should be changing the sprite icon. The problem is as well... You know what? Okay. It's like... Wait. Am I changing the... Wait. Oh my god. I'm dumb. I've made a mistake. This is just an infinite loop of nothing. This is setting the... Wait, no it's not. Is it? If there's nothing in the sprite, then it's setting it to null. No, it's setting the game object to not active. If there is, it's setting it as active. Oh, let me... It is setting it as active. And it's setting the sprite. But setting the sprite doesn't... Oh my god. I don't think it matters, because then if... Okay, wait. I can rewrite this function. I'm just... being really... I think I'm just tired. I think I need to end the stream soon. How long have we been going for? An hour 14? That's fine. If icon... wait, if inventory... Item dot inventory... Wait, if inventory manager dot inventory dot items of ID is equal to null, then we can set the... set actives. This is just being really, yeah, else. I made that so much more complicated than it needed to be. Wow. I've been coding in the past 3 days, okay? That's my excuse. That's my awful excuse for why my code was so shit. It's being set. It's being set, it's just not being set active. Oh, because these are false. Okay, that's fine. True. And true. That's easy fix, and we can now remove that out of update and only update whenever we update your slots. There we go. A lot more efficient. Oh, Kevin MacLeod is copyright free, right? Is Kevin MacLeod copyright free? Yes, the architect. Dude, look at this man. Ah, but must be credited. Can't use them. Does this work? Oh, baby. We got our first item. Let's go. I'm just gonna add a camera to the scene so then we can see our slots. Oh, that... You don't know how happy that makes me. That's crazy. Alright, now we need to register UI events. So... Time for fun coding. Do we leave it there for tonight, even though we've done, like, jack shit? I think we do. This is enough for tonight. We can stream more maybe tomorrow. I'm doing multiplayer code tomorrow with a viewer. Okay. I'll see you boys next time, and have a great night. Have a great morning, wherever it is that you're watching this. Peace out.